unbox this KitchenAid 9-speed hand mixer. So later, gagawa ko ng meringue using our hand mixer. So let's start. Ayan. Open ko siya. So this is the wire whisk. This is usually used for whisking cream and egg whites. So next is this turbo beater. Generally, ito yung ginagamit, especially sa mga cake batter. So this is the dough hook. So ginagamit naman to doon sa mga yeast bread dough. So this one naman is the liquid blending rod. So this is used for the powdered drinks. And of course, merong bag na included para sa mga accessories. And syempre, yung ating manual. So, meron ding pamphlet for registering your product. So, this is Red Empire. Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-red and it matches my KitchenAid Artisan 4.8 liter stand mixer. So, huhugasan ko lang muna itong mga accessories and then later magbi-beat tayo ng egg whites. Taking a closer look sa unit, we have first this cord strap. And then yung cord niya, meron ding lock. Left or right. And then this is the air vent. Soft handle grip. Of course, yung on and off button. So, this is naman yung speed control at ito yung ejector button. So, when inserting the attachment, yung may collar, like this. So, ilalagay nyo siya doon din sa may indicator ng collar. And yung wala, doon siya sa mas maliit na bilog. So, let's try. So, kailangan mag-lock siya. Yan. So, when injecting it, push lang to. Push lang yung button. And then, easily remove the whisk. So, let's try to make a meringue using our wire whisk. Though, you can use this also, pero mas mabilis ang result at mas fluffy pag ito yung gagamitin nyo. So, let's make our meringue. So, I'm going to use this wire whisk. Insert lang natin siya doon sa mas maliit kasi wala siyang collar. So, ayan. Then, let's put the egg whites. Cream of tartar. Subukan natin siya. Gradually add tayo ng sugar. So, eto na yung result ng meringue using our whisk. And then, eject lang natin.